And now with the oil change process and with the way it's set up now, my compressor warmed up, already warmed it up and fully filled the compressor, drained it. So I got the cylinder warm. Now I can drain it, so I'm going to use a 3/4 inch socket. I'm going to use my matte grip, comfort grip extension for this. I'll just remove the fill bolt, set that aside. And then now I've got my oil hose here and the petcock, so all I got to do now over my drain pan here, simply let it drain out there and let it fill my oil can. I'm going to have to straighten this out obviously to be able to make sure I get everything drained out, or I could put it on its side on the floor and then let it just drain out that way. Progress can be monitored watching the sight glass there as it drains. So now I'll refill it back up with some more oil and be ready to go again. So if you found this video useful and interesting, and if you're interested in this compressor, I'll put a couple links below, and have a great day.